In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find community garage layouts and get custom garages here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go to the customizable garage section from your garage here in Forza Horizon 6. Go to any of your garages specifically, it doesn't really matter. And then you need to go to browse and manage right here. Open this up and then choose browse community garages. It's then going to take you to a page that looks like this where you can filter through a bunch of different tabs up at the very top and choose a garage that looks good for you. I think the most popular one right now is the neon hangout garage, just like so. However, there is a ton of really cool garages in here as well that are worth checking out and getting if you are interested. Whenever you find one that you like, simply go ahead and select it, save it, and then it'll say download success, where you just got to go ahead and back out from here and then go into manage garages, and it's going to pop up in this section just like so. Select it, and then of course it'll say something like this. Go ahead and wait for it to go on, and boom, as you can see, it'll update immediately. I think this dude just cleaned out the garage just like so, but that's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.